Hi guys, this is Patrick for Screen Studio. Tonight, what I wanted to show was a review of the major social network that we are using, and of course, we'll go over each of them using the browser Chrome, as that's what I'm using on my Ubuntu machine, and I was thinking maybe I have too much of these social networks. Maybe I'm just not concentrating on one of them, or I don't know. But basically, each of them has their features, and there are some new players that are worth mentioning. So let's start with Facebook. We all know Facebook. You can set your profile with a banner here at the top, and then you can show all kind of stuff. The Facebook, I mostly use it to share stuff with my friends and family. My profile is public, so if you want to join me to subscribe to my Facebook account, look for patrick.balleux with an X, and you can follow up whatever I post in public. But I do keep stuff personal here most of the time. Nothing fancy. Actually, I'm not like posting about the fact that it's raining this morning or stuff like that. I mainly post stuff about my projects. But I do use Facebook for a more personal approach over the web with my friends and family, and it's great. The thing I kind of like, it's easy to use. Everybody I know is currently on Facebook. You can post a new status with pictures and videos. The thing is, when you post a video, if it does have like commercial stuff, music mainly, and Facebook recognize the content as being commercial, it will simply prevent you from posting that video. Even though you're just posting something personal, doesn't matter. I'm not able to post a video directly in Facebook. Anyway, usually I do post on YouTube, so it's not a big deal, as I can simply share the link to my YouTube video, and this is how it looks. This is my last video. Actually, this video was made by my kids. They made a movie, so I shared the link in my Facebook account, and we have a small thumbnail, and I can click play, and it will start playing. The thing that annoys me with Facebook, there's a lot of ads. Not a lot, no. It's actually less worse, yeah. But there are ads or suggestions from Facebook to subscribe to another group, or to download a game on my iPad. Whenever I go in Facebook, often I will get ads about a new game on iTunes that I can download, and it's getting annoying in the long run. But as you can see here, I have Facebook is asking me about, have you seen that movie? Have you read that book? And stuff like that. And it's annoying. I don't want to see that. I just want to see what my friends and family are posting and exchanging a few stuff over there. So Facebook mainly is used for personal interaction with my friends and family. Now Twitter. You're still kind of limited there. You can post pictures, links. That's a great place to share with a lot of people if you have a lot of followers. But essentially, you cannot post more than 140 characters in your post, so you cannot post something complete there. But anyway, you can share links. The tags are really useful if you want to be noticed by the community. And there's a lot of people that are interesting. But you always get a link, always get a picture. So you don't get the content in Twitter, you just get links to content, and you have to work with that. So let's see where I shared the video. The presentation of shared videos from YouTube is actually better than Facebook. As you can see here, this is a video I made with Ubuntu 14.10 and the iPhone 6, and I have a real preview of the video, so it's much nicer than what we have sorry, with Facebook. Let's see if I can find yeah, there it is. That video, it's much larger, it looks nicer than kind of that thumbnail in Facebook. So Twitter is the place where I'll post all kind of news about my projects, about stuff I've discovered. It's kind of the place where I will post all kind of links and will interact with people. It's kind of the place to share the news about whatever I discovered, whatever I created, whatever I posted. So I keep Twitter for like a place to share my stuff. So it's nice, but it's hard to get in touch. I actually, from the way I see it, the way I use it, it's hard to share stuff with friends. You can do it, but it's not my favorite place. Then G+, Google. I'm a Google user mostly. I have Gmail, I have YouTube, I have Blogger, I have almost all of their services. I do like G+, and their way of sharing videos. So you can see here, I posted that video, Magic Fight, and the thing I like the most about G+ is about creating communities where it's kind of like the Facebook page, but I don't know, it works better. You can create categories, you can share videos easily. The one thing that is really great, if you create a post about your YouTube video, you just click add video, choose from my YouTube account, and it works seamlessly. I really like that. Of course, it's from Google, so it's kind of expected, but it's a nice place. There's a lot of interaction also with the community, but not as much people as we have in Facebook and Twitter. Not everybody is on G+, so maybe it's not for everyone, but I do like G+. I've created my communities for Screen Studio here in G+, and it does work really well. I like it. Oh, there are 2 new posts. I'll have a look. So, and you can create the way of navigating, the way of for posts flagged as spam. That's the thing, you can have control. It's the community in G+ does work really better than the one in Facebook. Facebook is okay. How can I access that? They've changed everything. That's the thing. That's another thing annoying in Facebook. They keep changing the interface, so you don't remember where to click. Is it here? Let's see. Oh, there we go. I got it. So let's go with my Screen Studio page in Facebook. I think I haven't updated that page in a long time. So as you can see, in Facebook, I only have 23 likes, which means followers. And compared to Screen Studio in G+, where I get, I think, 155 followers. So the community is more alive in G+, but there is less people than Facebook or Twitter. But I do like the interface much better. You can post content, full content here directly, not just links and videos, and you can create events and now recently polls. That's really nice for a software manager like me creating open source project. It's it's kind of easy to say, okay, I'm thinking about putting a new feature. Do you like it or not? And people we can reply easily with a poll. So G Plus is a nice place, just that there is not as much people as there is there on I'm gonna say it, in Twitter or Facebook. Lately, I've discovered another one called Vingle. Vingle is kind of a mix between Facebook, Twitter, and G+, and let's say Pinterest also at the same time. I really like that community. It's kind of easy. It's a place for people who likes to share stuff, and you can post your videos, you can post text, you can post comment. It's not a place to talk about what you did early in the morning. It's not a place to talk about how you feel and playing the emo girl or the emo guy, whatever. It's a place for bloggers, it's a place for YouTubers, it's a place for people who want to share stuff, and people interested in reading and watching stuff. There's a lot of categories in there. Whenever you create a card, that's how they call a post. Let's go with, again, Magic Fight. If you're wondering why I'm talking about Magic Fight, it's a video created by my kids, and it's a movie actually, so it's really funny. I hope you will enjoy it and share it with your friends. But basically, you create cards, and you put them in categories. You can put tags in there. So basically, the regular stuff. But your cards are always part of a collection, and people can tag your card in their own collection. So the interaction between the users is really nice. People are really friendly. It's not as big as the three previous one, Facebook, Twitter, or G+, but people are interested and interesting. You know, when you post something in Twitter, let's go in my home. When you post something in Twitter, there are so many people posting there that actually your post will get buried through all the other posters, and maybe a few people will see whatever you posted earlier. In Vingle, there's not as much people than Twitter, and that's a good thing, because your post gets more visibility over time, so you can stay like for a day or two, maybe even 3 days, visible in on the main page if you get there, or at least in your category. Like currently, I'm moderator in the technology community, so it's kind of nice and does give time for people to see whatever you have posted, since Vingle is not about posting every crap you can find on the internet. Everyone here is trying to post stuff that are worth reading or seeing. So I really enjoy Vingle for that. It's really a nice place. As you can see, I got a lot of views. If you go here, I'm still learning about Vingle, but I'm starting to figure it out. I've been here for a month or two, and I got 280,000 views on my cards. I don't have that in Twitter. I don't know where I can see that. And G+, I get a lot of views, but it's been a while since I've been on G+. And the last one, really new one, still in beta, Elo, which is missing, of course, a lot of features, but it's currently in development. It's on invite only, so if you want to join, you have to know someone who's already here, and if they have a free invite, they can invite you so you can join the Allo network. It's a full web app. There are no native apps like Facebook, Twitter, G Plus, or Vingle on your mobile device, but it does work nicely even though it's a web application. There's a lot of stuff missing, so it's brand new. It's currently in development. Developers are there. If you have any questions, you can ask them. And the idea is quite simple. No ads, which is really nice, really simple. You can select people to follow as friends or as noise, which means that actually you're just following them and you get that notification. Let's see how it works. It's really nice. We'll eventually get it. My Wi-Fi is really low right now as I'm really far from the router currently, and you see there's a lot of good pictures in here. You can currently attach a picture but not videos, but it's coming if you go in the feature list. So as you can see, it's still in beta, and we have a roadmap of what is currently built and what will eventually be coming soon with new features. There are no likes, there are no chatting room and stuff like that, but as you can see, there are some stuff coming in. So if you want to try something really new, Allo is the place to go. Personally, I think I have a few invites left, so if you are a blogger or YouTuber and have stuff to share, just leave a comment below this video and I'll send you an invite. But make sure that you are someone actually active in the blogging community or in the YouTube community. So those are my favorites in the social networks. Facebook, personal stuff, not the place to share stuff about your project, but actually it doesn't work for me. It does work for my family, as everyone I know is on Facebook. Twitter, nice place to share links or pictures, but stuff related to other websites, to your blogs, to your YouTube account. It's a nice place to share and get some visibility, but still limited. But that's the way Twitter works. G Plus, nice place to share stuff about your projects, personal stuff. Also, I see that from time to time. But the big thing, the thing I like the most is the communities that you can build there. Vingle by itself is my favorite. I do enjoy Vingle. The card system and collection are working perfectly. It's easy to organize your stuff into cards. It's easy to share, and people are, I'm saying it again, people are really, really nice and friendly over Vingle. So get an account and subscribe to me and ask me to be your friend. I'm on Vingle also. And if you're on the edge of trying new stuff, Allo is the place to go. A lot of stuff is missing, but it's shaping up slowly. You get news about what's currently happening, and it's kind of the fun of discovering something new, something different, something where the developers of Allo are actually thinking no ads, no information sharing. You can read about what they do and what they think, and this is where they will shine in the future, I think. And I'm quite happy to be one of the first followers of Allo, members of Allo, not as in the really first one, but there's not a lot of people right now, and I managed to get an account here. So this is something to watch over for the next year. So that's it for tonight. If you want to have more stuff about me, you can start with my Twitter account, as everything I do, everything I post is available on Twitter and also in my other social networks. Hope you enjoyed that little review of social networks. That was Patrick Studio. Yeah, no, that's not it. That was Patrick Balleux for Screen Studio. Hope you enjoyed, and as usual, see you another time. Bye.